Good morning. I just wanted to make sure that you could find the lecture videos that I'm posting for you. Uh, I'm going to show you, I'm putting them on two different places so that you have no struggle in finding them. So the first place you can find them is in our Brightspace. Just go to the module that we're currently working in, and then go to the section we're working in, linear functions, which is the one we're doing now. And this will be going forward. This is where you can find them in one place. I've got all the lectures I will be covering in the linear functions portion already posted. I've only covered lecture video 1, I believe it is so far. So going forward, you've got all the lectures I'm going to be covering probably for next week, with the exception of exponential functions, which I'm going to start doing on Wednesday. That's one place. The other place you can find them is in My Open Math. Currently, I have the lecture video the lecture that I posted on Wednesday from what I covered. And then I'm hoping to get through these 3 lectures, if not more. But this is not where I want you to go to find them. I want you to go down to the actual place that we're learning, the folder itself. And then in the folder itself, you can see that there's videos for linear functions. These are not mine, but they are wonderful. Please utilize those if you need them. Here's your homework. Here's your textbook. Here are my lecture videos. So if you go in there, you have every lecture video for linear functions. And going forward, you will have them both in Brightspace as well as in My Open Math. I will not, however, continue putting them on the calendar, so you will have to go to the folders themselves in order to find it. You have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday.